All Pro Exterior Services with another one. You can see this beautiful home we have here on a lake, close to a lake. You see the lake out here. I don't know if you remember this house, but during the hurricane, we came out and did all the lattice work. Underneath it was full of dirt and all that good jazz. So we're gonna come up here and just take a peek at, look, it's already peeling, paint's peeling. That's what happens with the sun, man. Oh, geez, all these stairs. I don't know how people would live up here. Look how nasty it is up here. You can dish the rug. I don't know if that's a stain or paint. It's all, I mean, it's like it's not even completed. Got some, these are all the cobwebs. Just filthy. Look, right here, Tony. Yeah, just filthy. It is a windy day, so we hope to not have an issue. And it is a nice house. You can see up here they got, man, I tell you, construction workers today just don't get it. I plan to do this last because you know, anytime I get a shoot up, I don't want these really close. No, this is deco. Okay, well, maybe they do close. I don't know, maybe not. Okay. All right, so we hooked up with water. Everything's good. Looks like they put another one up right there. And you got to be off the ground here. Special flood insurance is required. In fact, you may not even get flood insurance if you don't. I'm digressing. I'm sorry, folks. Let me get back on topic. Anyway, this job came from the Hurricane Ida when we did her underneath. We got her on an annual. So we're just catching it. And let me show you something interesting that she requested. But after doing a further inspection, so underneath here, a lot of people do this. They kind of make it nice, little kitchen area, blah, 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 whatever. But you see this sheetrock? I mean, I'm no sheetrock expert. I know there's a couple different variations of sheetrock. What I mean is, usually the weather resistant or water resistant is green. This don't look green. She wants me to shoot it. And I'm like, well, I don't think I can shoot that. So we're gonna do what we can. I'm gonna wash the house, do all that. And I may get her to sign some type of waiver if she wants me to shoot this. And if I do choose to shoot it, I'm gonna just come with like a 0.5, 0.75%, 12 volt, and just spray it and not rinse it. Just let that be the thing. But I am not about to ruin all of this. I mean, it don't look that bad. I don't know if you can see it, but and you got these auto lights, pretty cool. So when you pull up in a vehicle, anyway. All right, guys, so we hooked up, pulley AR. So, again, this is reality TV. No rainbows and butterflies. I do have a problem with the AR. The AR is leaking from right here, the seal. But I don't know how many hundreds of hours I got on this thing, and it's been in production for over a year and a half, maybe. Don't quite remember. So, that being, I mean, I already ordered one. It's like $7. I just gotta wait for it to get in. So I'll fill it with oil. I got a little towel underneath. Got some grease I gotta deal with here, and that's why I parked on the rocks, not the concrete. Be cognizant of that, and we should be good. So I keep that Napa 30 weight. Let's see. That's 10W30. We don't want to put that in there. What is this? Non-detergent. So we'll fill it up and just run it and pay attention to it. And if we need to add oil, we will. Just to, like I said, I told them to rush it. So, and I ordered 3 of them. So when I got a problem like that, especially a part like $5, $6, $8, give me 2 or 3 of them. Put them in the garage. If it happened once, it may happen again. Anyway, let us get set up. We'll get some footage. Peace. Girls, we got a lot of this done. We've been fighting the wind. It's breezy out here. It's got to be 15 to 20 mile an hour gusts, but we got a lot of it done. Had a water problem. I don't know, man. We must be sucking some water. But we've been very careful around all them posts and everything. I had Tony up there. He's got a water hose now. and he was watering them as I was washing. So you got to be strategic about that, because you don't want to burn somebody's stuff up and come back and have to. And then we got, I mean, look at this. I mean, you can tell up here on the lip of that facial, it's kind of black, but that's like paint. We got up there as close and tried to scrub it on one of these stairwells where we can reach it real close with the brush, and it was wrong. It was not moving, and it looked like it was the paint fading. Like, this house was built during the Ida. I don't know what's going on, but look, we got water now, a little bit above the bulkhead. So I'm gonna wait and let it build up while Tony's up there finish rinsing with the water hose, and then we'll bring it down and finish the front. That's all we got left, and we're out of here. I sprayed some of this down here, not the roof, but they had some green all around here. So I was like, you know what, I'm cleaning out the line anyway. It already disappeared. It's kind of around this area. So I sprayed all that. I'm gonna come back and rinse it down real quick before we leave, but you know, that looks good. Yep, good in the hood. And we got the neighbors over here, and wind's blowing their direction. It's a situation. Tony up there getting things wet. Come on, man. Good job, Tony. Good job. And Tony's, I nominated Tony for the Employee of the Month for the second month in a row. So if you watch this video, you want me to vote for Tony, nominate Tony for another Employee of the Month, just give me a thumbs up, or say, what's up, or Tony, or say, Employee of the Month, Tony. All right, peace. Girl, got it all done. It's a beaut, done. But I did not do the sheetrock. That's just what it is. So we're about to get up out of here. Gonna change my boots because they're not the most comfortable. These Crocs are a little bit more comfortable. There you go. I always do that after every job. Most times. Anyway, we're out of here. Peace. Pro Exterior Services here again. Got another. It's been a common theme. We're going to do the vinyl facial pool deck, which we're going to put 3% down. Let that marinate. It's paved. She had somebody out here before that pressure washed it, screwed it all up. There's dips, wobbles everywhere. And then, so we had to move stuff. It was an upcharge. We're gonna hit this driveway. So we plan on probably just double feet, not the, look what we got over here. Homeowner with a little Ryobi, getting it done. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's where it all starts. That's where it all starts. So, oh, my bad. Hit this driveway. And this thing, we're gonna double feed, Tony? You wanna just use that hose and, all right. But yeah, look, homeowner over here, getting it done. That's what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna go ahead and start washing while Anthony's, and we're gonna do the windows. So I'm gonna go ahead and start washing while Anthony's on the service clean, because we double feeding. Let me get the remote. Yeah, I got the remote. Go through my settings. And I'm gonna tell you guys, if you're using an AR and you find out it's just you're at 1.5%, 1%. See, I'm at probably a 0.75 because that yellow line is 1.5, and I'm on a second line. So we noticed this recently that we were washing the house. It just wasn't strong enough. Came back, primed it, went back to 1.5 to 1. It worked great. So if you're having issues with it coming clean, your surface, and you're not getting a strong scent of bleach, come back and prime your machine. In fact, it may not be a bad habit to prime it every time you crank it up if you're not doing it much. We use it every day, all day, so it stays pretty prime. But if we off a day or two, or we use a lot of surface cleaning and other stuff, it could come deep prime. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get rolling. Here's the shot from the front. I'm gonna start over here, work this way, make the right, 90 yards down, over the tree to the pool. It's in hole in one. All right, guys, catch up. Peace. All right, guys and girls, we've been here about, I don't know, 20 minutes, 25 minutes probably, maybe 30. I don't know. We had to move some of that stuff. So I'm just waiting on solution. Proprietary solution. Nobody knows what this is. This is proprietary. We got a very windy day, but I got that half of the house done. So hitting this one, hitting the downspouts for them too. Garage door, of course. Again, this is just facials, and they see that tiger striping. We talked about that, but I don't try to upsell that too much because of the fact that it's kind of a pain in the butt to do. But all this is where we shine, baby boy. Clean them windows, soft wash them windows rather. I know some people's already gonna say, oh, it's not cleaning windows. I know it's not. The one thing you need to realize is if the customer's happy, that's what matters. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get this done. This is a hot side too, so how bad that is. I'm gonna just go ahead and catch under here right away. Already pre-wet the AC. Again, it's a house wash, so. Alright guys, I need to get some hose, so I'm gonna have to let you go. Catch up. Peace. Got it done. Just post-treated the driveway on the way out. Pain in the butt. I'll tell you what we're gonna do now. Pool decks just doubled. So any pool decks we get, it's three house washes. Just because. It just takes so long, and I don't know, it's a pain. Anyway, I appreciate the likes, subs, calls, comments. Keep them coming. Peace.